portable propane coffee maker great for camping, hunting, tailgating, and more. InstaStart push-button ignition offers convenient matchless lighting. PerfectFlow technology to brew consistently even in extreme conditions. 10-cup glass carafe and removable dishwasher-safe filter basket. Lasts up to 4.5 hours on one 16.4-ounce propane cylinder, sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Great for camping. So nice to have a hot cup of coffee in minutes after waking up when camping. No more waiting to start a campfire and then waiting again for water to boil. This is so worth the money if you love your coffee first thing in the morning even when camping. Makes great tasting coffee, just like your regular kitchen coffee pot.